smelling sweat, all of them they are taken care by nutmeg. One medicine.
Se a diarreia, se você tem, se o seu suor tem cheiro ruim,
now please, we're in the last part, so please concentrate here. Loosening of skin, those who are health conscious or beauty conscious, the muscle tone goes down with the age, right? Muscle tone
flacidez
goes
muscular,
down with the age, then people start feeling that the skin has loosened,
que a pele vai ficando mais flácida com a idade,
and some people without getting old also experience this.
mas pessoas que
So
também
nutmeg will be a
têm
medicine for them.
é uma medicina.
Because of the astringent action, it helps better tone of the skin.
Como é astringente, dá tônus para a pele.
So if anyone wants to enter into movie industry, please note it's a great medicine for hiding the, how to say, these wrinkles here, then here.
Melhora a
So
ruga.
you can just apply that as well.
Yes, but repeatedly.
It's a
Yes.
mask.
Yeah, it's a great medicine. Nutmeg oil can be massaged on gums to reduce toothache.
Também para diminuir a dor de dente, você pode fazer óleo de noz moscada.
And in the past, any wound which smelled foul, that is pus formation in the wound,
Se tiver pus na
nutmeg used to reduce the smell.
noz moscada, diminui o cheiro ruim da
It is available here, you said, nutmeg.
cicatriz.
How it is used here, from my knowledge?
Here?
To cook
Yeah.
puré,
To cook what? Okay.
and maybe in lasagnas.
There is a hidden thing here again, which I may share. Nutmeg has a different smell, right? It is odorous, but different smell. So if nutmeg is added, probably it works through our nose and our digestive file is kindled. So it takes care of the food, means food is better digested.
Yes.
So nutmeg,
Mainly the
yes.
If it's bleeding,
If it's bleeding, then turmeric is preferred. It can be used, but turmeric is better used.
it's better.
Cúrcuma é melhor se o ferimento estiver sangrando, mas isso também ajuda, noz moscada também ajuda a cicatrizar.
But if it is repeatedly bleeding, you can see non-bleeding ulcer, then nutmeg is in picture.
It's better.
It's stronger than turmeric. Okay, so this is all about the spices, but I'm open and you can interact any number of questions I would
Se
like.
tiver alguma pergunta,
And before I stop, okay. First of all, asafoetida is not a plant proper, not a herb. It is a gum of a plant. You know, gum, resin coming out of plant. And suppose this is a plant, so they take cuts on the plant's name and the things come out, they are collected. That is asafoetida. It's very strong, pungent.
What's the plant that gives the asafoetida? You don't know.
No, the Latin name is very different. Ferula asafoetida.
Oh, this.
The moment I tell you the secret of the name, you will run away. I think, to my knowledge, maybe I am wrong, French knowing people are my teachers now. Anybody knows French here?
Yes.
Okay. To my knowledge, the name comes from a French meaning, devil's pieces. It is so foul smelling, so bad smelling.
Carbon. More or less. It's like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For me, it's like carbon.
So, and it's only in Indian subcontinent. It wasn't available in Europe or US initially. So when the researchers from the West, they realized this plant or this medicine, the smell was so strong for them that they selected a term from French, what I have been told, that it is so horribly smelling that ferula Asafoetida means devil's feces.
Fétido, in Portuguese, fétido is the same.
Yes.
Smells
It
bad.
has a
very bad smell.
like
Bad smell, fétido.
So to say it is bad, right? But that is its potential. It is so strong smelling that it almost immediately reduces pain. It's a great painkiller in Ayurveda. Are you getting me? Ayurveda doesn't recommend use of painkiller tablets to kill pain, etc. Because pain is to be controlled. What yoga does or what oil application will do. But if there is a need that no, I can't bear the pain, temporarily Asafoetida can be applied, paste of it, and pain goes down. May it be toothache, may it be joint pain. In India, even the heart pain, angina, you know this term? Angina pectoris, chest pain. By the time the patient is taken to the hospital, it's an emergency. Asafoetida can be applied here. It has been proved, researched upon, that it is so strong that the local blood circulation increases, and it is recommended in heart disease anyway. So it's a great medicine for all pains, all edemas, swellings. It is there, chest pain can be reduced. Then tumors in the initial phase can disappear with Asafoetida. It is so strong. Just like black pepper, Asafoetida can be put in nose for unconscious patients. But be careful. Because it is very strong medicine.
We used to do nausea, calamus. It's not spicy, but it's
Works.
earth. It works.
Where did it?
Calamus, a cold calamus.
Okay, vacha.
Vacha. Yeah.
It is just like Asafoetida, very hot and intense.
Yeah.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
My grandmother, she always has problems with
Gallbladder,
and the pancreas,
Hmm.
the other one resigned. And she always says she could not eat pepper or any spices at all. Is there any way that it can be harmful for your digestive system?
Means Asafoetida she is asking about.
No,
or general?
all general.
Yes, that simply means she is more pitta. She couldn't take spices used, right?
Mhm.
That means she was pitta dominated person. So mild spices like clove and cardamom could be given to her.
Okay. Mild.
Because all spices are intense and hot.
Mhm.
Which amount of spice you have to add, for instance, for to make paste or why?
It's a good question. For oral intake, only pinch of the spice because all of them are strong. Small amount, very small amount. For external use, amount really doesn't matter because we have to mix it with water and apply it. So as per the need, you can say. If it's a big area, we'll need more. If it's a small area, we'll need. But for oral use, we have to be careful about the amount. Very small amount of spices is to be used. If you are interested in what I tried to discuss, what you can do is, I request Sonia and Free Flow that maybe some other day in future you can demonstrate about them and initiate them to use the spice box in everybody's house because it's for your health. Like it is kept here, you can make a
we're
spice
going
box.
to build here for Christmas.
Maybe again,
Lots of spices, so they give it to the whole family.
because they really help you to have better health. And in every, how to say, sopa in Portuguese or vegetables, you can add traces from all spices into it. It will give great taste and it will induce good digestion.
So when you say traces, like half a coffee spoon, small spoon, and half of that.
Even less than that, I would say.
Less?
Yeah. If you add all of them, all the ones which we discussed,
Yeah.
even if we use little bit, it becomes 2 small spoons. collectively, right? So this much amount is enough. And as per the need, we can select, like those who are having flatulence can use more cumin seeds, but those who are obese and want to lose weight can use more fenugreek. Right? Those who are diabetic can use more curcuma. So as per the need, you can play around with the spices.
E recomendar algum livro que esteja associado a especiarias e Ayurveda? Any books which relates spices and Ayurveda that you can recommend?
So to say, there are so many books. Maybe you know whatever is available.
Yeah, but in English, from Frawley.
David Frawley.
He had a book called Yoga and Ayurveda.
Yes, sorry to interrupt. It reminds me Yoga of Herbs in one such book.
And Yoga of Herbs too.
David Frawley?
From Frawley. It's from Frawley.
Yeah.
Okay. That one is
Is the herbs of
David.
yoga?
Even Vasant Lad also has some books. So there are so many books.
Mas o Frawley...
So to conclude,
Mas chama aí, não, mas se eu fizer herbs and Frawley, eu tenho, é muito bom.
To conclude, I would like to say, I will be still here to answer the queries, that my role today was like spices, means just to increase appetite in you, to learn, right? Free flow is there to take care of further studies. So I request Free Flow to continue with Ayurvedic work as well, to complement yoga. And if I could induce even little bit of curiosity in your minds, I think I am done, because there is no end to knowledge. So I have put my spices. Now all the books, how to say, bibliothek, libraries and institutes like your Free Flow, they will be the cereals, main cereals. I have put my spices, right? So let us continue this health discussion, and thank you for being so patient. Obrigado.
Thank you. Namaste. Mas se calhar posso tentar ver alguma bibliografia relacionada com o tema e depois colocar no grupo do alunos aqui da Free Flow.
Está aqui o Yoga com 10% no outro.
Esse livro é bom porque a terminologia que é usada é da Ayurveda. Esta coisa das potências, clientes, o efeito pode existir, tudo o que ele foi utilizando aqui é como o Frawley descreve as especiarias, que é uma linguagem muito própria da Ayurveda.
Muito bem, quero agradecer mais uma vez a vossa presença, espero que tenha sido extremamente útil. Nós estávamos a pensar se queria jantar a algum lado, não sei se querem juntar ao grupo. Então é o restaurante indiano de Campanha. Vamos a Campanha.
Manter
Aí tem
o
que
espírito da
certeza.
Índia.
You want to know some Indian Portuguese food? Yes, because yes.
All of them?
Yes. Not all of them. I know some people
Yeah.
go home, but with the group.
Se calhar é melhor perguntar quem quer, não? Se calhar temos que ligar para lá.
Can I discuss it like this? Just like this?
Yes.
Muito assim.
Façam um trilho, porque elas não podem fazer um montinho. Elas conseguem se gostar de um montinho.
Os meus. Os meus, de certeza.
Só para levar para lá.
Não sei como é que ela consegue. Como é que ela consegue fazer isso, não é? Olha, estava aqui os braços. Não? Olha, aqui dá umas descidas. Se cair, vão dar uma da
Já vais, como é que
Eu se calhar não esticar. Eu acho que isto é cá em cima, não é? Isto é cá em cima. Os bolsos todos aí.
Os bancos também não é?
Os bancos, não, os bancos são de cá de cima. Não sei se são todos, não devem ser todos, mas uns são de cá de cima e outros são apenas. O bolso também cá em cima, é o sofá.
It depends what they have. Yes, if they have pain, asafoetida is the best. Dried ginger powder, we have been discussed. Dried ginger, ginger, dried ginger is also excellent painkiller.
Yeah, but water.
Yeah, with water.
Okay.
Or you can put them in oil massage. It is the best to increase muscle strength.
Like what the oil that is.
Sesame oil is the best.
Oh, okay.